And how was your feedback look? Let's say you received like your contest results and you see that you got like 34th and there is like the first top 5. Obviously you want to get to the first top 5. So what did you do after the contest?
So actually, I don't remember what I did last time. Last time, I don't think I actually looked through backstage because luckily for me, my first contest carry I did get 4 mediums, so I got backstage like instantly. But I don't remember looking through backstage back then. I think most of my feedback comes from looking through past reports in the past because that was what I did. But now, if you were to ask me what I recommend people to do, is actually to look through backstage after the pre-sort or the post-judging QA phase, because when you are looking at like what other people found when it's still fresh in your mind, it does help a lot to think of how did they find this and what did they do that you did not do in your contest that like helped you found. Yeah, but back then I think most of my learning came from reading older reports. That's about it, I think.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. So it was like something that you did like part-time, and then from at some point you really improved from making $200 and being like 30 in the list. You got like top 5, top 3, and eventually also the first.